Welcome to our video on how to buy crypto on PayPal. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, let's make sure your PayPal account is ready for crypto purchases. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Once your account is set up, let's navigate through the PayPal interface to find the crypto section. Now comes the fun part. You can choose from a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Before making a purchase, it's important to understand the transaction fees involved with buying crypto on PayPal. When you're ready, making your first purchase is as simple as a few taps on your device. PayPal provides a secure environment to store your cryptocurrency, which is a vital aspect of crypto investing. You also have options for withdrawing your crypto assets, which we will now explore. To help you stay informed, we'll share some tips on tracking your crypto investments right within the PayPal app. Congratulations! You're now ready to dive into the world of crypto using PayPal. Happy investing!